Are you tired of missing out on golden moments in online trading during sessions? Would you like to stay constantly updated on global markets at any hour of the day, and know what's happening every moment? The TW session offers a solution for professional investors, and those interested in financial markets, ensuring that they never miss out on any lucrative trades. TW session is a necessary tool for identifying the position of your trades during the opening and closing periods of the market, in 15 influential and important market exchanges and stocks. This powerful product provides you with the necessary tools to analyze and monitor global markets. You can take advantage of trading opportunities at any moment in the market and track trend stability and pattern changes. With TW session, you can convert session times to market watching time, so you no longer need to worry about missing market trends. TW session allows you to monitor real-time changes in 15 different markets during the session. Even if you are only interested in a specific time frame of the market, the TW session allows you to restrict the display modes to your desired time frame. Provides you with 3 different display modes. 1. As an oscillator. View price charts, live and analyze real-time market fluctuations. 2. Marking the start and end of sessions. With this mode, you can easily identify the beginning and end of sessions on the chart and evaluate their impact on the market. 3. Vertical lines on the chart. By drawing vertical lines on the chart, you can pinpoint market starting points and enhance the accuracy of your analyses. Custom color settings. With custom color settings, you can personalize your charts to your liking and enhance your experience. TW session is the ideal tool for professional traders. You can access real-time market information and make better, faster decisions. Market analysts. TW session provides you with the ability to analyze various markets comprehensively and accurately. Retail investors. With TW session, you can easily monitor the market and identify new investment opportunities. You can experience the TW session for free at the link below, and become a professional investor. The Trade Wizards support team is available 24/7 to answer your questions. To stay updated on the latest products from the Trade Wizards team, and the latest news in online trading, follow our page.